This is a crazy sounding tapping lick. Somehow when I use this for practice and tapping or to warm up, it helps me to get connected to the fretboard. Of course, this also helps directly with the tapping technique to develop a fluent sound. And here it is. It's in the key of A minor. The next note is the start of the repetition. Hey there, this is a very strong hybrid picking exercise that helps you also to deal with the pentatonic scale even better. Here's the B minor pentatonic scale shape, 2 notes per string. And what I do now is, we have notes here and we have notes here. And I alternate between those positions. First I play those 2 notes on E and A string. Same strings here. Then A and D string. And so forth. But playing them separate with hybrid picking goes like this. And that way you play fourth, the interval of fourth, except of 2 positions where you play a major third. Hey there, today I'm gonna show you another approach of playing 7th chord arpeggios with hammer-ons and hybrid picking on 2 strings. And of course it makes it a good exercise for those 2 techniques, hammer-ons and hybrid picking. Here's the simple arpeggio shape. I'm in the key of E minor, E Aeolian minor, playing an E minor 7th arpeggio. Starting with the 7th here. Hammer to the root. Then pick or pluck the G, which is the minor 3rd, and hammer to the 5th. That's it. What makes this really difficult to do is the synchronization of the right and the left hand. And what I did with my demonstration is just to harmonize this in the key of E Aeolian. So this is an E minor 7th arpeggio, and half diminished, F sharp half diminished, G major 7th, A minor 7th, B minor 7th, C major 7th, D dominant 7th, and here we are up an octave, E minor 7. Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to play 6 intervals horizontally in the key of A Mixolydian. Very suitable for the blues. It sounds very bluesy. Learning to play 6s horizontally is also a cool trick to bridge positions if you have to go from here to here. First I'm gonna show you all sixes one octave up. As you see, those major sixes, both notes that are in the same fret, I play with these two fingers. And when I play the next six, the minor six, I leave the middle finger on the D string and I connect them with slides. This is a nice cascading tapping lick in E minor, starting here on the high G in the 15th position on the high E string and working the whole way down to the low E. And here's the really simple lick pattern. That's all. And because I slide down one note, we get 4 notes on one string, and here in that position I do the same here, staying in the key of E minor, already changing a string. Starting on the G string. D, A, N, Hey there, this is a really powerful hybrid picking pentatonic lick. I think the hybrid picking technique is mandatory to play this, but if you can play this with the plectrum, chapeau. It's a repeating lick that can be worked through the pentatonic shape. It's consisting of 2 parts, and the first part goes like this. And then the second part is mirrored exactly. First, practice this really slow and then try to speed it up. And this you can move through all pairs of strings. And then try to connect them fluently.